Hey, it's Wayne here with Quick Performance. This video segment I call Hot Rodding at 80, things I bought that I'm really happy I did buy. And one of those is this stand for my Harbor Freight bandsaw, portable bandsaw. It turns it into a stationary bandsaw. Also, I have a Harbor Freight foot pedal down here on the bottom of the floor, so I can use both hands to push material through and use the foot pedal to turn it on. That's been a really handy tool. One of the things I'm really glad I bought.